Hello, my dear students. How are you? Wish all of you are fine. Welcome here in lesson 4 in unit 1, multiplying and dividing rational numbers. Let's review the sign rules. We know in multiplying or dividing, same signs equal positive, different signs equal negative. First, multiplication operation. A over B times C over T multiplies the numerator, and after it multiplies the denominators. Like this question. 3 over 2 multiply 5 over 9. I will multiply up, after it multiply down. 3 times 5 equal 15 over 2 times 9 equal 18. By simplifying it, dividing by 3, it will be 5 over 6. Or firstly, I can simplify. Here, there is no simplifying. I will multiply up, it will be negative 32 over 5 multiplied 9 equal 45. So it will be negative 32 over 45. Here, now what is the properties of multiplication operation in cube? First, the closure property. What is the closure property? The product of any two rational number is a rational number. So Q is closed under multiplication operation. After it, the commutative property. If A and B are two rational numbers, then A multiply B equal B multiply A. Changing the places doesn't affect the answer. The associative property. If A and B and C are three rational numbers, then A multiply B multiply C equal A multiply B multiply C. Multiplicative identity. 1 is One is the multiplicative identity element, because 1 multiplied by any number equals the same number. The multiplicative inverse of any number is the reciprocal of the number. So if it is 3 over 5, its multiplicative inverse is 5 over 3. So to multiply them, it will be 1. 15 over 15 equal 1. So the inverse of any number, it's a reciprocal. So A over B times B over A equal 1. 0 has no multiplicative inverse because 1 over 0 is undefined. Multiplying any rational number by 0 equal 0. After it, the distribution property. If A and B and C are three numbers, then A multiply B plus C. That means A multiply B plus A multiply C. And also A multiply B minus C, A multiply B minus A multiply C. Use the distributive property to find each of the following. Okay? Here, the first one, 5 over 7 times 2 over 3 plus 5 over 7 times 2 over 3. I can see that 5 over 7 times plus 5 over 7 times. So I will take 5 over 7 times. What is here? Cancel 5 over 7 times. It is still 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3. So it is 5 over 7 times 2 over 3 plus 1 over 3 equals 3 over 3. 3 over 3 is 1, so 5 over 7 times 1 equal 5 over 7. 11 times 3 over 3, 3 over 10 minus 3 over 10. 3 over 10 has nothing, so it is multiplied by 1. That is like the distributive property in grade 6. So I will take 3 over 10, multiply by 11 minus 1. So it will be equal 3 over 10 multiplied by 11 minus 1 equal 10. Cancel 10 by 10, it will be equal 3. Second, the division operation. The division, like in year 6, keep it change flip. A over B, keep the first as it is. It change the division into times flip the other. Okay. Now 3 over 7 dividing by 9 over 14. It will be 3 over 7 times flip 14 over 9. By simplifying, firstly, divided 7 1, divided 7 equal 2, divided 3 1, divided 3 equal 3. So it will be 1 times 2 equal 2 over 1 times 3 equal 3. The other one, keep the first as it is, change the division into times flip 15 over 2, it will be negative 2 over 15. As there is any simplifying, yes. Okay. Divided 3 equal 1, divided 3 equal 5, divided 2 equal 1, divided 2 equal 2. So it will be equal 1 times 1 equal 1. Here I have negative 1 over 2 times 5 equal 10. Since division by 0 is impossible, therefore Q is not closed with respect to the division operation. Division operation in Q is not commutative and not associative. There is no identity element in division operation in Q, and hence there is no inverse number with respect to division operation. X equal negative 1 over 3 and y equal 3 over 4 and z equal negative 3, fine. Y over z. Y over z means y divided z. Y is 3 over 4 divided z as negative 3. Negative 3 has no denominator, its denominator is 1, so keep, change, flip. Cancel 0 by 0, it will be equal negative 1 over 4. X, y over z, x, y means x times y. So firstly, I will make x times y. X as negative 1 over 3 times y as 3 over 4. Cancel 0 by 0, it is negative 1 over 4. Now, it has xy divided z. It will be equal negative 1 over 4 divided by negative 3 over 1. Negative 1 over 4 times negative 1 over 3. It will be equal 1 over 12. So easy. So the properties of operation addition to have all the properties, subtraction is just closure, the other is missed, multiplication have all the properties, division all of it is missed. Okay, see you in the next video. Goodbye.